Welcome and thank you for joining me today. I'm Christina Safford. I'm an event designer located in Portland, Oregon, and my company is Muse. So today we're going to be talking about Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is a toolkit, an amazing toolkit, but it also has its limits. And today as a designer, I want to talk to you about when to stop pinning, when to know that what you're seeing online is inspiration and not exactly how you need to relay your desires for your event. So Pinterest is an amazing tool for anybody planning anything, whether it's a Halloween party or a wedding or a shower. It's an amazing tool. It's got everything from pictures to recipes to crafts. I mean, you can't get better than that as a party planner, as somebody going into their next celebration. Pinterest is also, however, very limited in a few things. One, Pinterest does not give you a price tag on anything you're looking at. Two, it doesn't give you a time slot. Like, you know, when you're cooking a recipe and it says, hey, this will take an hour, or this recipe over here, this one takes 20 minutes. Pinterest doesn't have this. I wish it did, but without a price tag and without a time stamp on each of these inspiration photos you're seeing, you don't have necessarily, without prior knowledge of these aspects, whether it's a lighting design, a floral bouquet, a room setup, you don't, without the knowledge of how long that takes, know how much work is going to go into it, know how much you're going to pay somebody to take care of it for you, know how much of a headache it's going to cause your husband when you start doing that craft. And so it does have its limitations, and that's something you need to be aware of when you're looking at Pinterest for your own sake. The other piece to that is that there is a time to use Pinterest and a time to stop pinning. And when you're a week away from your event, you should not be pinning anymore, because at that point, all you're doing is adding confusion to the overall picture. If you've put together your design, if you've put together your celebration, and you have one little hole to fill, sure, go on Pinterest, go find that recipe you need. Go find that one extra, oh my gosh, I forgot favors. But for the core of your design, you should stop pinning as soon as you have created your look. Don't go back to Pinterest. Shut down your board if you have to, or just promise yourself never to go on. Because what happens is you have this cohesive picture, this cohesive design, and then you see this, oh my god, cool photo, and oh my god, this is cool too, and you start adding things, and all of a sudden it kind of becomes like a dime store where you've got a little bit of everything, and it's no longer a cohesive design. So something to think about, something to remember. But remember, it's not just Pinterest, but you can find inspiration anywhere. Thank you for taking a few minutes to join me today, and as always, thank you for being my muse, my inspiration. We hope to see you next time, or we'll see you online or on social media at Designs by Muse.